What's up guys, it's me Shadow95 and in today's video we are gonna unbox some cup noodles. So I don't know why, but I never went to Japan. This is the first time I'm actually trying cup noodles in my entire life. So let's get straight into the video. Alright, so the cup noodles, it has some masala. I don't care. So what it is pull back the lid halfway and fill the cup with hot water up to the inside line. Okay. Close the lid. What is the thing? Close the lid and wait for 3 minutes. They get a free fork. Okay, cool. And remove the lid, stir well to mix the ingredients and enjoy a cup of noodles. Okay, so for this I need my two friends. Let me introduce them to you. So these are my friends, Mr. Knife and Mr. Babysitter. He actually has a father. Let me show you. I take this and keep him right there. You're gonna die, bro. Yeah, good luck to you. Yeah, let's leave and let me show you the daddy. The dad's here. Anyways, let's get unboxing now. So, yeah, you can open it from here or, yeah, so let's open it from here. Murder this guy. I'll kill you to death. You're a disgrace. You don't help me. Screw you. You know what, I'm gonna turn this up. I'll use my baby. This is baby, he'll work. Yay, we got him, baby! So as you can see, I made a hole here. So I don't know.
Dude, the spoon is good.
Take this AF and cut. So what am I gonna do is I'm gonna unbox this whole thing, okay? So yeah, now I change the background. I'm actually in the balcony with my plants. Cool, huh? Anyways, back. I only brought Daddy here because he didn't get a chance. But anyways, so I took over the whole cover and just like this. And let's open it. I'll be right back. So we opened it and I see this. Yeah, ramen. Okay, let's open it a bit wider. And yeah, okay, they said the truth. Okay. So we got the spoon right here. Oh, look at that. Amazing, huh? I think it's actually foldable, isn't it? Yeah. Oh my god, look at that, guys. You can fold it whenever you want. This thing is cool. So yeah, of course we got a fork and I'll just open this completely for a sec. So yeah, now it's like this and now we have to take some hot water. Okay. Get the heck out. Dumb door. Oh look, this knife and scissors. Disgrace. So I have my kettle right here. It's filled up with water. Epic water filling montage. Yeah, that's enough. I'm gonna quickly take this. Put it right in there. And turn on the switch. Now let's wait for some time. Shh. So it's getting heated. While it's getting heated, let's just go quickly and we'll bring the cup noodles. Yeah, that should be enough. Now we turn it off. Switch it off. Check, now you take the fork out. You pour the kettle in. Okay, so I'll just quickly do that. So yeah, I poured the water in, and now we're gonna wait for 3 minutes.